We hit the blood, niggas cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we mug in the Gia. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got it a deal. Oh yeah, I was just like this vision, like live it all. When she gets down, just like live it all. Run the block, she not always shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow her whole back. It's the way, like every time, like every holiday. When she gets away, yeah, have fun, have fun. You know we like it good. She gets away.
Shorty rock to the beat for your boy. Shorty, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer, killer, killer. Shorty flap it, shorty tight it. Should've stayed there all night, it. With you, with you. I missed you, that picture. Now it's time I get back up with you, girl, with you. Oh yeah, we used to kick it up at the park, but now she's all grown up. Rockin' them stilettos, jumping up out of that Mercedes truck. Ooh, it was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was Niecy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is, hey, man, I don't need no hoop for the shit. Shorty right there, shit, shit, shorty is the shit, shit, shorty is the shit, shit, shorty you the shit, oh yeah, your team, so I'm so deep. Burberry fragrance on my shirt from when she hugged me, hard as a rock when she touched me, you know, cause she would've loved me. What it is, what it ain't, tell me what to do. I know I'm late, but destiny brought me back to you. I must have turned you into a butterfly. I had to say hello, tell your nigga goodbye. It was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was Niecy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is, man, tell him, man, I don't need no hoop for the shit. Shorty right there, shit, shit, shorty is the shit, shit.
It looks good, but I'm starting a diet, so.
Oh yeah, she fine, shorty a dime. You should tip her, you should tip her, you should go, and you love her. You should tip her, you should tip her. She fix you eggs and grits in the morning, man. You should tip her, you should tip her. Pancakes with the bacon on the side.
You should tip me, you should tip me.
Shorty rock your beat for your boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rock your beat for your boy. Now to see you at 23, all I can.
Got some pretty good beats on this 808 CD, yeah. Memories need some sitting on stay, I wanna put tents on my windows, but what's different? If I feel like a ghost, no twice. Ever since I lost my baby, I've had this black suit on, rolling around like I'm ready for a funeral. One more mile till the road runs out. I'm about to drive to the ocean. I'ma try to swim from something bigger than me. Kick off my shoes. It's swimming good, it's swimming good. Take off this suit.
up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if this is another video or part of the last video. Oh, look, I went to the gym this morning. Hair still laid. Period. But I'm drowning in this fucking jacket. We're about to go get some service on the Porsche. I called around to several different places. I'm gonna let y'all know now we are not going to Porsche to get the Porsche serviced because they wanted $600 for an oil change. No. So we're going to my boyfriend has a shop that he takes his other cars to, so we're going there, and they always have us a little vibe, and then their prices are good too, so I like them. They're cool. So that's where we're going. Look at how foggy it is outside, y'all. But it's not raining, so that's cool. It's just super duper 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 foggy and super like, oh, I have like real bad ADHD. I just forgot I didn't text my dad back. I gotta text him. Yeah, that's what we're about to go do. I worked out this morning. I am so happy about like picking, like telling myself this is what we're doing and actually going to do it. Like, I feel like that's why I'm enjoying Vlogmas, because it's making me do things that I wouldn't normally do. Like, yeah, I'm getting video footage from it, but let's be all the way 100, I'm not getting paid for it. So really, I'm just recording it for my own personal like growth. Just, it's like I'm videographing myself. Like, I'm just having like a video album, a photo album, everything of just my personal growth, and I like that, if nothing else. So that's cool, and it's like, you know, making me want to do stuff, you know, going to get the car maintenance or whatever. It needs an oil change and back brakes, I believe. Oh, and I drank a Celsius this morning. That's probably why I'm all over the place but have a lot of energy but can't focus on one thing, because I'm feeling like jittery. But I had Celsius this morning. I got them from Target for $7, and I feel like that's a good price, because one is like $3, I think. It's like $2 and some change, so that was pretty cool. And I only drink half at a time, because tell me if y'all have ever worked out and felt like angry afterwards. Like, you took pre-workout, worked out, and then afterwards you were just hyper focused and angry. That's how I be feeling after I take pre-workout. So I don't take pre-workout anymore, but I drank that this morning, and I only drank like half, probably not even half, probably like 1/3 of it. And it was enough for me to have energy to work out and finish my workout and push through my workout, because today was the first day. Everybody knows the first day be kind of hard, but I stretched, I worked out, I did everything I needed to do, and then I only drank 1/3 of it, and then I just keep it in the refrigerator, so then tomorrow I'll drink another third, and so each bottle probably lasts me 3 days. So really I can get like a week or more out of the 4 I just bought. So I might go back while they still have that special to get me a few more. But they do have a case at Target, and Target might have some type of discounts on it too. So I don't know, we'll see. If I go to Target and I see them, I'll get them, because I do like them. And I noticed that I like the ones that's not carbonated better than the ones that are carbonated. So that's why I can drink them a little bit at a time, and I can't drink a lot of it because I don't even like carbonated drinks like that. So yeah. And that's why I can drink it for a couple of days even though it is carbonated, because I don't care if it goes flat. So yeah, that's the update on that. I'm gonna try to go every day, every morning, Monday through Thursday, and I really want to start taking Pilates. So if you've ever tried Pilates, or you go to Pilates and you live in the Atlanta area, let me know where you go. Yeah, I want to be a Pilates princess, a passenger princess. I want all the princess teens. So yeah, I'm just hyped because my hair done. That's the period and moral of the story. I just want to look at myself on the camera because I look the fuck good. So we've secured the goods. This is what I get. I post my my order every day, or almost every day if I get something different or new on Instagram. So make sure y'all follow me at SoDippy 2 P's 2 Y's, same as my YouTube. This is linked down in the description too, period. But I wanted to say something for the ladies. If you are gaining weight and you don't know why, or you're trying to lose weight and you're not gaining weight, and you go to Starbucks often like me and you get that sweet crow foam, yep, that's why. It's really, really bad for you. It tastes good. It does taste good. but it's so bad for you. It's so much dairy, it's so much fat, and just it's really really bad for you. So if you want to start the health journey, we can do this together. Our first step for today is gonna be no cold foam. I just got the pumpkin spice latte with oat milk and no whip, so that I don't have the dairy, because dairy is really my biggest culprit. Like, dairy will have me bloated and like looking 3 times bigger than what I actually am. Like, I can genuinely notice a difference in drinking more water and cutting out dairy. Just those 2 things be having me looking way better. So if you wanted some little tidbits of advice that you could do without having to work out to look weight and feel better and look better, the cold foam gotta go. Or at least you can't have it as often as every day or whatever the case may be. And you gotta drink some more water. Water flushes out everything that's bloating you. It just flushes you. Like, once I realized that water intake is not just for like staying hydrated, it literally flushes out all the bad stuff. And once you realize that, you don't want to drink water anymore. Just some little tidbits. You don't gotta listen, but I'm telling you the right thing to do. Ain't that right? I try. I drop gym after gym after gym after gym. At the gym. In the gym. My name Jim. My name. Alright, I'm done.
Niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Crody to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it direct, could give a fuck. Yeah, yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going as planned. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. But she went back to her man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild where it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Turks and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave our marketplace to Easter. Ain't nobody making too much money on the beach stuff. But I be for rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Johnny came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Crody to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck.
Fresh out in my jeans and they fresh shoes. Ever I in my teeth, I come up in there.
So the person who's fixing the car or whatever just came in here and showed us that the brake light was on because something was cut, and it was like something with the brakes was literally cut, like someone cut it because it was a perfect slice. So we're trying to figure out what that was and who did it. It's given Porsche did it, so that will bring it back and get my brakes done. But joke's on them because I'm getting my brakes done and I'm getting them done somewhere else. And he was like, yeah, even if you needed brakes that bad, the light shouldn't have came on for the wear that's on your brakes. So that, whatever that piece was that was cut, triggered a sensor in the car. And the brake sensor light or whatever was on. I don't know if I'm explaining this 100% correctly. But the moral of the story is that's exactly why I don't like taking, that's the third bad experience I had when taking my car to the car's dealership. When I had my Honda, I had something bad happen when I took it to Honda. When I had when my boyfriend got his Ram, we took it to Dodge Ram. I literally had to cuss them out really bad. And we spent what, like $1,300 getting all this stuff on the truck just fixed, updated, maintenance. And I had to end up cussing them out and getting it discounted and getting money back and stuff. And then now this with Porsche. Them people know that people don't know about cars that well. So they just be doing stuff to the cars. So you got to keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back. And that's why you got to go to the shop every other day. That just made me mad because why are you playing with my car? And y'all are supposed to be the main people that somebody trusts with their car. Start getting a little engine cam or something. But yeah, so he said he ordered the part already to get it replaced and it's gonna be here at 4. I don't know where he ordered stuff or how he ordered stuff, but it'd be here fast and for the low, so that's cool. So I guess we're going to do, oh, he gave us what happened? Okay, we got 2 new tires, 2 Michelin tires, right? Getting 2 new brakes in the back, and he's fixing that sensor and the oil change. Anyways, we're just waiting. Shouldn't be too much longer. And then ouch. And then yeah, I'm debating if I want to go let this girl do my nails tomorrow, because I do need my nails done in the nail salon. I don't like how they did my nails. I don't know, it's like the nail salons lately been doing whatever they want to do, and I don't like that. Look. Like, it's not bad, but it's like not good either. The shape could have gave a little bit more. So I'm debating if I want to, like, this will be my first time going to, like, you know, a person to get my nails done instead of the nail salon. So that's what I'm debating on, if I want to do or not. Because she do feet too, and a lot of people that do nails don't do feet. So I'm like, might got you a new client. But anyway, so yeah. I'm so happy. You know I'm happy with my hair because the colors don't even match. Like, my hair is black and this hair is getting very much 1B. And I already was complaining about that in one of my other vlogs. But I'm so happy. I don't even care. That's how much I love this hair. I'm going to keep talking about this hair. Y'all will definitely see her again doing my hair because I had a great time. And this is after I worked out. I don't know if I said that already. Oh, there you go. That's okay.